Hello everybody, I'm your host David Rivera, and today we're going to be demonstrating an advanced cleaning and sanitizing on a KM ice machine with the CleanAssist. The unit featured today is a KML-700 MAJ. To verify whether your unit has the CleanAssist feature, check the control box. If the unit has a mode switch that includes the clean, your machine supports the CleanAssist. If not, refer to our earlier cleaning videos or follow the cleaning steps in your unit's instruction manual. You can access the unit instruction manual by scanning the QR code on the machine, or you can find it at hoshizakiamerica.com/support/manuals. Type in your unit's model number and hit go. Here you will find the instruction manual and other documents for your unit. Before you begin, first, check with the customer to confirm whether they need ice during the cleaning procedure. If so, transfer the necessary ice into a sanitary container. Always wear protective eyewear and gloves to protect yourself from the cleaning and sanitizing chemicals. Avoid any ammonia-based or scented cleaners. We recommend Scale Away for cleaning and a standard unscented bleach solution for sanitizing. For safety and sanitation, never leave the unit unattended with the panels removed. Now to the external checks. Water filters. Verify the PSI on the filter and inform the owner if the filter needs replacement. Water hoses. Inspect and replace water hoses as needed. Machine preparation. 1. Remove the front panel and set the control switch to off. Ensure that the mode switch is in ice. After 3 minutes, switch the control back to on and reinstall the panel. 2. Allow the machine to run until the compressor starts. Then wait an additional 3 minutes. Remove the panel, switch the control back to off. 3. Remove all ice from the dispenser or bin. If you're cleaning a dispenser unit, turn off the dispenser power after emptying the ice. Internal inspection and scale removal. Remove all panels from the machine to inspect it. Inspect the water supply inlet and screen. Clean the screen as needed. Next, check for scale buildup. Scale buildup is common in areas with poor water quality or a machine that hasn't been cleaned in over a year. If scale is present, remove components such as cube guide, float switch, water supply tubes, and spray guides. Soak these parts in solution with warm water and Scale Away. 5 ounces of Scale Away per gallon. While the components soak, spray the other scaled surfaces, including the evaporator and the reservoir, with the same solution. Allow it to sit briefly, then scrub with appropriate brushes. Use the Hoshizaki evaporator brush for the best results on your evaporator. There may be mineral buildup in the reservoir if the unit doesn't pump it out. You can wipe it out, or you can rinse it out by removing the drain plug. Always make sure to reinstall the drain plug if removed. Severe scale may require you to clean the area multiple times. Once clean, rinse or wipe down all treated areas with water. Check the condenser for dirt and debris. Light buildup can be removed with a brush, vacuum, or compressed air. Severe cases may require a deeper cleaning depending on your application. If the condenser is greasy, we may need to use a degreaser to remove the grease off of the condenser. After scrubbing down the machine, it's time to clean the soaking parts. Scrub all components, remove any scale, and ensure spray holes are clear. Inspect for damages and replace any parts if necessary. Reinstall all components such as water supply tubes, float switch, spray tubes, cube guide, and spray guides. Basic cleaning cycle using the CleanAssist. 1. Set the mode switch to clean, then turn the control switch to on. 1 short beep occurs, then 3 seconds later 1 long beep occurs. Replace the front panel, the water tank will drain, then fill. 2. When you hear the 2 beep sequence, remove the front panel, turn the control switch to the off position. 3. Remove the insulated panel and pour the recommended amount of scale away into the water tank and replace the insulated panel. To find the correct amount of scale away to pour in your application, refer to the unit's instruction manual or refer to the top lid of the machine where the cleaning instructions are located. 4. Move the control switch to the on position. 1 short beep occurs, then 3 seconds later 1 long beep occurs. Replace the front panel. There is a 1-minute delay before circulation begins. After approximately 30 minutes of circulation, the ice maker performs 3 rinse cycles. 5. When the control board starts its 5 beep sequence, remove the front panel, then move the control switch to the off position. Clean the bin control lens with a neutral cleaner and rinse thoroughly. Sanitizing cycle. 1. With the mode switch still in clean, turn the control on. 2. When you hear the 2 beep sequence, turn the control off. 3. Remove the insulated panel and add the proper amount of unscented chlorine bleach to the water tank. Refer to your unit's manual. 4. Restart the machine. After 30 minutes of circulation and 3 rinse cycles, the 5 beep sequence will sound. Then turn the control off. 5. Clean and rinse the bin or the dispenser liner. 6. Set the mode switch back to ice. Turn the control switch on and restore the dispenser power if needed. Final steps. Clean and reinstall all exterior panels. If the machine is air-cooled, clean the air filters using a brush or by rinsing with water. Never put filters in the dishwasher. Wipe down the exterior with a damp cloth and a mild dish soap, or use a stainless steel cleaner as preferred. Your unit is now properly cleaned and sanitized. Depending on the water conditions in your area, this procedure can keep your machine running efficiently for up to 1 year.
Thank you for watching this video. For more videos like this, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We also offer a virtual and in-person training course on Hoshizaki products for technicians. If you're interested in this, go to hoshizakiamerica.com/support/training or scan the QR code on the screen. For any further assistance, you can contact us by phone or at email. The contact details are on the right side of the screen. Again, thanks for watching.